back with you for more of UAP Women's Volleyball action between UST and National U on our second game of our Wednesday doubleheader at the arena in San Juan. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravena, Apple David reporting for National U, and Tina Marasigan reporting for UST. Nice approach there by Pablo, who's been playing well here for National U.
That's right. Boom. Ito yung added points coming from other than Din Santiago. NU needs.
So, tabla muli at 16 all. Lantin, Lastimosa. Coverage was there for UST. Ortiz, not that time. That's a good matchup. Ortiz against Santiago.
That's right. And Santiago winning that one over Ortiz via this walk. Look at Ortiz go.
Single block.
Mali eh.
Mano ni mano.
Diretso eh.
Mano.
Straight to Din Santiago.
Lead shifts back to National U 17 serving 16. Checked again. Tunay through the block.
Finally, Tunay getting it through the blockers of NU.
See that?
Yun yung sinasabi kanina ni Coach Onji Kilandin. Sabi niya, pwede ka mag-jump set para medyo bumilis yung takbo ng bola. Because sometimes yun, pagka set niya at mataas, it looks really slow.
Yes.
At nakakapaghanda yung blockers ng NU. Just like that.
She does have that motion. And sometimes yun din ang kinagagaling. We talk about some setters who are no frills like her. But sometimes you also appreciate some of those setters like, let's say, Jem Terrell or Giselle C. Those setters who can fake you off with their movement pa lang, yung movement nila, kala mo ganito pero ganito. And yun pa ang hindi na-develop ni Lantin.
Yes. Yun nga yung sasabihin ko sana. She has developed that really quick because she's in season 75 and she's really playing it for UST. Bihira naman isang si Lantin. So, yun yung mga kailangan, yung bilis ng pagkakaset. Sometimes you need a slow set. But most of the time, you will need the quick one.
Violation on Perez, so the point goes to UST. 18 all, Lastimosa on deck. Would you say that Lantin is still a little bit mechanical in her movement?
Well, she really is.
Okay.
Pero that's because she wants to be safe.
Basic.
Which is also good.
She wants to be very fundamental.
Correct. And that's also good. Why? Because you want to be safe. You parang let your spikers decide whatever they'll do. Diba? Tama, percentage. But then again, yung games kasi, of course, as we go to the second round and we go to the final four, nag-iiba yan. So, ikaw rin dapat you evolve to become a better setter.
Tunay gets it off the blockers. So, tit for tat lang tayo dito. 1 point. Which only sets up for a tight finish here in the second set. Who will pull it off?
That's going to be a long one for Tunay.
So much promise for the second-year player, though, Mosey.
Right. Along with De Leon, Lastimosa. Mga second year pa lang itong mga to.
Naalala ko, parang ganyan-ganyan din usapan natin kay Banatikla doon.
Right.
Who, by the way, we haven't seen.
That's true.
We haven't seen here in the second set at all. Si Lastimosa has taken over the position, We'll see what happens. As Marzan, as we look at Maru Banatikla on your screens, Andrea Marzan comes in para kay Desiree Dadang.
Another tall player from NU. Na ang hahaba rin ng kamay.
Kasi, nakausad sila ng konti dito Lamang na ng dalawa Gusto nilang siguraduhin itong second set kasama Mosey. And they get another point. Pablo na naman.
That's right. One more point. And NU now up by 3.
Second ball ang problema natin. Yung block nyo sa sahod na yon. Hindi tayo talo sa sa taas ng abot. Ang nangyari lang, hinihintay nyo lang na tamaan kayo ng bola. Maging agresibo kayo. Kayo mag-initiate na ng contact. ang set ng kalaban, nakadikit naman sa net eh. Para kayong naka-blanco lahat dyan. Hindi naman. Girls, hindi na. Mali na kalaban, 5 minutes.
I think that last statement pretty much summed up the UST campaign so far here in the first
Blank.
2 sets.
Blanco. Huwag
Parang-
nyo nang intayin tumayo si Coach August.
Parang, parang may kulang,
May
ano?
kulang.
May kulang.
Right.
Ito namang National U, kicking it at the right time. Lamang ng 3, pero Caballero finally sends it home.
Well, Judy Caballero has to set the tone for this UST squad. Siya kailangan mag-set ng pace kasi napakabagal ng laro nila eh.
Hirotsuji out, Ingrid Reyes comes in.
Yung running hit nga ni Micah Ortiz, hindi pa nila na ma-maximize.
Tama. Perez opens up. Oh, nice block there.
Well read.
Kapit, sabi ni Coach Oji.
Oo.
Kapit. Again, for yung mga baguhan sa volleyball, explain natin, parang sinasabi niya sa team niya na, to stick to National University. Point by point. Pero yun na naman.
Yan, Pablo with a smart move. Well, USC had the advantage, I think, on that last play. Pero si Pablo, at the right thing in mind,
Adjusted.
alam niya eh, yes.
She adjusted. 7 points and 7 attacks. 100% on her attacks.
Yan.
On her attempts.
Kailangan ng Lady Bulldogs.
Baga sa porsyento, it cannot get better than that.
Wala na.
Oh, nice find by Caballero. Puts it away.
Once again, Judy Caballero taking the lead in the latter part of the second set.
At ibinalik ni Coach Francis si Desiree Dadang. Serving 23. Dikit-dikit po tayo dito sa second set at the arena in San Juan. So full front line now for UST as they try to close this set out. Santiago from behind.
Oh.
That's long. Good idea.
Yes, I was going to say that was a good play coming from the Lady Bulldogs. Nagulat ang UST eh. Buti na lang bumaba.
Lahat sila nakaabang long ball. Okay, anong gagawin nyo? Gawan nyo ng paraan. Pwedeng i-drop ball nyo sa likod lang ng racket. Okay? Pero huwag yung ilalapit to sa tao. Intindihan, lahat sila nakaganyan, no? Inaabangan na yung lakas ng palo nyo. Paikutin mo yung tao mo, paikutin mo. Okay? Nasa harapan si Ortiz. Okay? Hindi na, paikutin mo para mataranta si Ortiz. Huwag mo yung open. Makahabol na yun. National.
Yeah!
Your thoughts on that timeout, Mose?
Well, actually, the right play to do, yung either i-drop mo, tama nga naman, UST, inaabangan na yung mga hard-hitting balls na NU. So, yung position nila, getting ready for that. So, if you drop the ball, mukhang pwede. Mukhang strong chance.
Surprise attack. They have been hitting the ball hard, National U has.
Yep.
And again.
Just like that. Ito naman, deflected.
Triple block pa.
Ordaz challenging the triple block of UST and winning it.
The former Prado National High School recruit, Aiko Ordaz, able to give them set point number 1, second set against UST. Oh! No check ball. Look at that. National University ahead by 2 sets to love in the second game of our Wednesday doubleheader. And just like I said, in that LaSalle game, if this team wants to win today, they will have to do it the hard way, back from the grave. Back in a moment.